other men. One was crossing to pick up his marriage license, and the youngest was 16. They were the last to step onto the bridge. With the weight of 5, the bridge dipped into the fast water. In mere seconds, the cable snapped and the footbridge surrendered to the current of the Miramichi. Jim Stewart, I think it was, yeah, held on for some time but finally let go while onlookers watched, powerless to assist. Tennyson and Willard were both thrown into the frigid water. Their bodies were later recovered. David managed to hang on to the cables and pull himself to safety. Lawrence was caught among the cables in the water. Clyde Price and Tom Wilson, upon hearing the commotion, pulled their boats to Lawrence. Tom cut the wires around Lawrence and pulled him to safety after an hour and a half in the water. 3 men died, 2 barely survived. In 1988, the footbridge was replaced again and is now maintained by the Department of Transportation. It is the longest swinging bridge in New Brunswick. Quite a little history. So, here we go. Up on the bridge. Okay. Now, anybody that has vertigo or issues with height, just to let you know. Okay, so this is the walking bridge. This is a view of the Miramichi River. This is the upper view. Very nice place. They have a lot of locks. So padlocks on here. So this is the Priceville side. This is where my mother's family come from. In order to get to Priceville, you have to drive up this side of the road about